So students, we were doing perimeter area. Let's come back to that. That is 19th question. What is the 19th question? Area of a square field is 4 hectares. What is its perimeter? They are asking. So to find the perimeter, square it is. To find the perimeter, how do we find the perimeter of square? Yes? Yes? Tell me.
4 into side.
Yes, perimeter of square is 4 into side. So we need side. 4 into side. So we need to find the side. What we have? We have area. So what we have? We have area of square. So what is the area of square given? That is 4 hectare. Right? 4
Excuse me, sir.
hectare. Okay.
Excuse me.
So see here, area of square. How do we find? Tell me. Side into side, right? Side into side, we do the area of square. So 4 into hectare means 10,000 meter. How many meters? 10,000 meter. 1 hectare means how many meters? 10,000 meter. Okay. So side into side will be how much? 4 into 10,000. 4 into how much? 10,000. It will be how much? 40,000. Yes. So it will be 4 into 10,000 will be 40,000. Okay na? Yes. So it will be 40,000. Okay. So meter square. 40,000. Now side into side is there. Side into side means 40,000 means we can write 4 as 2 into 2. Yes. We can write 2 into 2. Here there are 2 zeros, here 2 zeros. So 200 into 200 it will be. Yes. It will become 200 into 200 is 40,000. Yes.
400.
So not 400, it is 200 into 200 will be 40,000. Right? Yes. If you multiply on the side, it will get. That is 200 into 200. If you do, you will get 40,000. So side is how much? One side is how much? 200 meter. What is one side? 200 meter. Okay now? 200 meter. Now we got side. What we got? We got side, right? Yes. So can you find the perimeter? Perimeter is 4 into side. So 4 into how much? 200. 4 into 200 is 800 answer. Option is option A. Okay now? Okay, good. So next question, 20 question, right? So that is what? Area of rectangle is 364 square centimeter, right? They have given length. Length is how much? 26 centimeter. Length is also given, and what? That is area is also given. Okay? Yes. So then what will happen? We need to find the perimeter. Perimeter we have to find. To find the perimeter, what we know? Area, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Right? So we don't know breadth. We don't know breadth here. If you don't know breadth here, what we have to do here? We have to find the breadth first. So how do we do breadth? That is, area is given, length is given. So area divided by length we have to do. What we have to do? Area divided by length we have to do. So 364 is there. Area 364 divided by 26. Okay. So now you cancel it out. 26 ones are 26, and how much will be remaining? 10. Then it will become 104. So 26 fours are 104. So 14. Breadth is how much? 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter means we got length also, breadth also. Perimeter we can find it. That is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 26 2s are 52. 50 now plus 2 into breadth. 2 into breadth is how much? That is 2 into 14. So 26 2s are 52 and 14 2s are 28. 52 plus 28 will be 80. So 80 centimeter will be the answer, option B. Okay, that is how you find it. So here next is 21 question. What they have given? Perimeter of rectangle is 120 centimeter. Perimeter they have given. What they are asking? They are asking find the area. From perimeter we have to find the area. So they have given length is 3 times its breadth. What? Length is 3 times its breadth. Whatever is given, you write it down first. Perimeter is 120 centimeter. Perimeter is 120 centimeter. You write it down. Length is what? Length is 3 times. Length is 3 times breadth. You write it down. Now you have to find area. What you have to find? You have to find area. So area you write it down. Area, how do you find? Length into breadth. You find area by length into breadth. So now we know perimeter. From perimeter can we find the breadth? Breadth is not given. So first you have to find the breadth. So how do we find the breadth? That is, we know perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is 120. So here length is given as 3 into b. What? 3 into b. That is, you have to take length as how much? 3 into b here. 3 into b. Okay? So 3 into b. So as it is you write everything. Next everything you write as it is. So 2 3s how much? Here 2 3s is 6. So it will come 6. 6 into b plus 2 into b, as it is you write it. Okay na? So here how many b are there? Here 6b, here 2b. So total how many? 8b, right? Yes, it will be total 8b. So 8b is how much? That is 120. So 1b will be, you have to take that 8 and divide it. If you know that if you take the other side, multiplication will become division. So b, if you want to find, we have to divide it. So it will be 120 divided by how much? 8. So 120 divided by 8, you divide it. If you divide with 8, what answer will come? 15 answer will come. Right? So 8 ones are 8, you divide it. 8 ones are 8, 4 will be remaining. 8 how many is 40? 8 5s are 40. So 15 will come. Right? So here 15 means you got breadth as 15. Now length is 3 times breadth. You can write that or directly take it. So area is length into breadth. Okay na? Area is length into breadth. So breadth is given, or you can do it that way or here this way also, fine. So here length is how much? 3 times breadth. The same thing you have to write. They have given here. Length is 3 times breadth and into breadth same. So breadth is how much we found out now? 15. Breadth is 15. So write it here. In the place of b, write 15. So 3 into 15 into 15. 15 15 is how much? 225. So 3 into 225 will be how much? 625 centimeter square. Option is option D. Understand? Okay now? So 22 is not there. Leave it. Okay. Now let us go.
23, can you scroll down a little bit, sir?
So now see here, 23 question. What is there? A rectangular frame, picture frame is 54 meter long and 36 meter wide. This is the frame. We know rectangular frame means like this frame will be there. Wooden frame. You may have seen photo. It will be inside. So frame will be on the perimeter. Frame will be on the perimeter, right? Frame will be on the
Sir, but the length and
perimeter.
breadth is not given, sir.
So see here 23 question. What they are asking, a rectangular frame, picture frame is 54 meter long and 36 meter wide. Long means that is the length, right? Long means that is the length and wide means that is the breadth. So 36 meter is the breadth. So what they are asking, what will be the length of the wooden frame required to make it? You may have seen photo. Photo will be outside, frame will be there. So that is the rectangular photo, right? For that outside means on the boundary. So boundary means that is the perimeter. So they are asking wooden frame required. How much length? Frame length how much is required? That is the perimeter of the rectangle, because it will be on the boundary, right? So it will be on the boundary means perimeter we have to find. So length is given, breadth is given. Length is 54, breadth is 36. You find the perimeter by 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That is a homework. Okay, find it out. So students, next 24 question is easy. So wall built around a rectangular plot. Wall built around a rectangular plot means it is a compound wall. You build compound, right? Yes, around a plot. So that is a compound wall. Okay. So what they are telling, length of the plot is 63 meter and breadth is how much? That is 47 meter. Okay. So length is given, breadth is also given. So what we have to find? We just have to find the cost. What you have to find? You have to find the cost here. Length is 63, breadth is how much? That is 47. Okay, yes. So the cost of construction rate is how much? Rate is 120 rupees. What is the rate? Rate is 120 rupees. Rate is 120 rupees per meter. So how do we find the cost? Total cost is how much? So we have to take compound wall is built on the perimeter. Where do we build? We build on the perimeter, right? So cost, how do we find? We will find cost by multiplying the rate. Multiplying the rate with perimeter, because it is built on the perimeter. So you have to multiply rate and perimeter, you will get the answer. So rate is how much here given? Rupees 120. So rate is rupees 120. So 120 you take it. Perimeter, how do you find? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. If you find the answer, you will get it. That is perimeter, you do it. That is separately also you can do and multiply the rate, or you can do both at a time. That is 2 into length. Length is how much? 63. So 2 into 63 will come. 2 into length plus breadth means 2 into breadth means 2 into 47 will come. You find the answer, multiply with 120. You will get the answer. Okay? Fine. So you find the answer. Okay? So students, 26th question is there, right? That is, you don't have 25. Okay? Leave it. 26 we will do. That is, Rahul runs 5 around the square field, each whose side measures 95 meter. So here he runs around the field. Around the field means that is on the perimeter he runs. He runs on the perimeter, right? So if he runs on the perimeter, side is how much? Side is given as 95 meter. So how many rounds he is taking? That is 5 rounds. How many rounds? 5 rounds. So he is taking 5 rounds, right? Yes? Okay. So here the total distance he will run is total distance. So he will run is, he is running on the perimeter. So how do we do that? That is very easy. So if you see, total distance will be rounds into perimeter. What? Rounds into perimeter. So perimeter we know. Yes? Right? So that is perimeter. Okay? So that is rounds is 5, perimeter. How do you find the square? This is the square. This is the square field. Okay? This is the square field. If he is running on around the square field, 5 rounds. Perimeter, how do you find? 4 into side. So you do the calculation, you will get the answer. 4 into side. So side is given as 95. So 95 you multiply with 4, and then what you will get? You will get the answer, and then multiply with 5. 5 rounds, right? So you find the answer. Okay? So next, if you see, that is how much? 27 question is not there. Leave it. Reshma runs along the sides of a square garden along with, if she covers 50 centimeter in one step, how many steps will be required? Those are all not come. Leave it. Okay? Then Amit jogs every day. He jogs around, how many rounds he makes for the park? Not required. Leave it. How much will it cost to fence a garden? Yes, wide at the rate. This we did. Cost, right? So this will be homework for you. So how do you find cost? Cost is rate into perimeter, right? So rate into perimeter. Fencing, it is fencing cost. So right, fence means we do on the perimeter. So length is given, breadth is given, and rate is also given. 12.5. You multiply and find. We did one type of question, that is this question, that is which here 24, like 24 you do. Okay? So question number like 24 you do homework. Okay? Fine. This is the homework. 30, 31. How many tiles? This we will do tomorrow. Okay? So till 24 you will have homework. Okay? Yes. So will everyone complete?
Sir,